In today's video, we will try to derive a formula that can be used to find the distance between any two points that lie in a coordinate plane. So let us draw the coordinate axis first. The x-axis and the y-axis. We have, say, 2 points P and Q. The coordinates of P are, say, x1, y1, and the coordinates of Q x2, y2. Fine, and we need to find the distance PQ, the distance between the points P and Q. We will be deriving the distance formula, and it is just an application of Pythagoras theorem. So let us drop the perpendicular from point P on x-axis, and let us drop the perpendicular from point Q on the x-axis. And we also drop a perpendicular from point P on this line. Fine. Now, since the coordinates of P are x1, y1, it means that if this point is, say, M and N, then it means that OM is x1 and PM is y1. Correct? And the coordinates of Q are x2, y2. So it means QN is y2 and ON is x2. Okay, and we also label this point here as, say, S. Okay, and this entire thing from here to here is x2. Now, we have to find PQ, and triangle PQS is a right angle triangle. Correct? And it is right angle at S. In a right angle triangle, we can apply Pythagoras theorem, and the Pythagoras theorem says that the hypotenuse square is equal to the sum of the squares of the two legs of the right angle triangle. So PQ square will be equal to PS square plus SQ square. Now let us try finding PS. We can say that PS is nothing but ON minus OM, because ON minus OM gives us MN, and MN is equal to PS. ON is how much? ON is x2 and OM is x1. So our PS is x2 minus x1. Correct? And similarly, QS can be written as QN minus NS. NS is equal to MP. So it is equal to Y2 minus Y1. I made a mistake. It has to be Y2 here. Okay. So PQ square will be equal to x2 minus x1 whole square, which is the PS square, plus SQ square, which is y2 minus y1 the whole square. And therefore, the distance PQ is equal to square of the difference of the x coordinates of the 2 points plus square of the difference of the y coordinates of the 2 points. Okay, so we have derived that if there are 2 points x1, y1 and x2, y2, then the distance between them is given by square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Let us take an example. Suppose the 2 points given to us are, say, A 2, 3, and we have another point, say B 4, 5, and you are required to find the distance AB. Okay. So let the coordinates of A be x1, y1. So x1 becomes 2 because the x coordinate of A is 2 and y1 becomes 3. and let the coordinates of B be x2 and y2. Then x2 will be 4, the x coordinate of B, and y2 will be 5, the y coordinate of B. What does the distance formula says? Distance formula says that the distance is square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So this gives x2 is 4 minus 2 whole square plus 5 minus 3 whole square, which gives you a 2 square plus 2 square, which is square root of 8, which is equal to 2 times root 2 units. Got it? So we got that the distance between these 2 points is 2 root 2 units. Okay, so by distance formula we can find the distance between any 2 points. If we are trying to find the distance of a point from the origin, then one of the coordinates will be 0, 0 and the other will be the coordinates of the point whose distance you want to figure out. I hope this much is clear to everyone. So if you have any doubts regarding the distance formula, you can send me an email at kirti.mathacademy@gmail.com. This is my YouTube channel, Mathacademy. You can subscribe to my channel at the link given below for more such videos. Thank you.